Pecan Sands. It is my grandmother's recipe. It is such a wonderful memory of her. Every year around the holidays, she brought them down from her hometown in Gaffney for our holiday celebrations, and it is a recipe in our cookbook, and I thought I'd share it with you today. It's super simple. It's a great thing to do with your kiddos in the kitchen, and you make a ton of them, and they are delicious. So come bake with me. 6 ingredients, super simple. This is 3 cups of all-purpose flour I'm starting with, and then I'm gonna add about 1/3 cup of sugar, and I'm gonna mix that in really nicely. And then I have really cold cubed butter. We're using 1/2 pound of butter here. So we're just gonna mix this just like we mix biscuit dough. But I'm gonna go ahead now and add the vanilla. I'm gonna go ahead also and add the finely ground roasted pecans and mix that in. It's about 1 cup of finely chopped pecans. Ice cold water, 1 tablespoon. And then I'm just gonna pinch off a little bit, make them into balls. And you need to work quickly because you know that butter is softening as you touch it with your warm hands. If you don't want to bake them all at once, you can always refrigerate this dough. You can roll it into a log and freeze it. These are going to go into the oven for about 12 minutes on 375, and then we're going to let them cool, and we're going to top them with some sifted powdered sugar. Super simple. They're cooled, and I'm just going to roll them, and you just repeat. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Melt in your mouth. So delicious. Store in an airtight container. They'll last for weeks.